My name is Jensen Morris. I'm a commercial insurance agent here at Texas Select Insurance Group, handling things such as commercial general liability, property, and auto, basically all your commercial insurance needs. Most often, the clients I work with are business owners, and I can usually be the most helpful to people who need multiple policies. From the property, the commercial, general liability, I'm able to reach out and fill all those gaps for them and provide services where all in one place, where they might have to go several places if they were to do it outside of Texas Select Insurance Group. If they're looking for something insurance-wise, commercial insurance-wise, we can handle it here at Texas Select. Basically, if it's commercial insurance, we want to be a part of it and we want to do it all, and we're happy to do that. The most common mistake I see people make with their commercial insurance is buying a policy without really understanding the coverages or where they apply and how it affects them, right? They see that it has the limits they need and it's at a good price, but they're not really sure where it applies to their business and how they are covered and where they're exposed. So I would say that arises from a lack of knowledge, which I can certainly understand. Outside the insurance industry, when I was not doing this, I certainly saw insurance as Spanish, but I feel like that's where Texas Select strives, is we're able to break it down and let you know where you're covered, where you're not, what would be a good idea. And I think oftentimes people see a price that they like and they buy, where they might not be getting the insurance they need and they might be exposed in some major ways. I think something that clients are surprised to learn is, in relation to Texas Select specifically, they're surprised to learn that when they call us, it's going to be a real person in the office every time. There's no answering machine, there's no AI agent. You call us, you get an actual person on the phone. Something else they're surprised to learn is how many discounts are available for commercial insurance. What's available out there based on their previous insurance, or what we would call an insurance score. There's a lot of options as far as how you can save money and still be properly covered. Let's say a question that people should ask before they buy a policy but usually don't has to do with inspection. Here at Texas Select, we do a great job of letting you know that beforehand, but I would say in the typical insurance industry, people are really caught off guard by the inspection and don't really know what to expect or what the inspector is going to be looking for. Here at Texas Select, we pride ourselves in letting you know that up front and providing as much information as you need so you're not caught off guard when it comes time for inspection, because that could be a big surprise to a lot of people. I grew up here in West Texas, specifically Sonora, which, if you're from Sonora, you know San Angelo is kind of the big city to us, right? So a lot of familiarity with San Angelo, and I feel very at home here, and I enjoy the community. Why I got into insurance, I was approached by the owner of Texas Select Insurance Company, Courtney McCutcheon, and he offered this opportunity to me, and I was unsure. But once I saw the team here at Texas Select and what they were doing as far as for business owners, we're an independent agency, right? And we're able to save people a lot of money when it comes to commercial business insurance that is usually required by law. So that was the deciding factor for me. I wasn't sure at first, but once I saw the team, the atmosphere, the goal, I was hooked. So that's how I got involved into insurance. So we're an independent agency here at Texas Select, and what that means is we're not captive to one carrier. Being an independent agency gives us the opportunity to shop all the markets that we have access to, all the carriers that we have access to. And what this translates to for our clients is we're able to be competitive. We're able to, offer great coverage at lower premiums. Instead of being forced to buy one thing, we have the option to shop around and look for what fits our client best as far as their budget and their coverage needs. One thing about me outside of work is I love to be outside and be active. So I'm constantly trying to get in the water. I'm trying to go for a walk, go hiking, play some sports. Just joined a intramural co-ed softball league here in San Angelo. So I certainly enjoy being competitive and being active, and I try to implement that in all parts of my life. If someone wants to talk to me, the best way to reach me is just give me a call. I'm available pretty much 24/7. I will answer if you call me in my sleep. I may not be the happiest camper, but I'll be there and I'm happy to help. But usually within business hours from 8 to 5, it's great. I'm pretty responsive to emails, but if phone calls what you prefer, that's what I prefer. So give me a call anytime.